Hi, good evening everyone. The instruments used in dental surgery. This is corneal trephine. Usually in dental surgery, depending on the pathology, we use different size in donor and recipient. Sometimes we use both same size in donor and recipient. This is a air injection cannula for big bubble dental procedure where we inject air into the stroma to separate the descent membrane or the predescent membrane. Next one is a side port. This is used to decrease the intraocular pressure once you make the big bubble. These two are lamellar dissectors, and one more, the other one can be also used for edge dissection. This is a regular crescent blade for lamellar dissection in the recipient cornea. These two are the corneal scissors, right and left. And if you see the tip of the scissors, one is sharp and other blade is blunt. This should help to minimize the damage to the descent membrane. This is a corneal punch to prepare the dull graft of desired size. The Teflon block where you keep the graft and punch the graft. This is the graft spoon. This is used to transfer the donor graft over the recipient bed. Now the sets of instruments used for the suturing. The first one is a colibri, the needle holder, and two tying forceps. This is the 10-0 nylon suture usually used for the dark surgery. This is a big bubble dartic surgery. I mark the center of the cornea and making the partial thickness corneal trephine, and now I am extending the groove going up to the 60 to 70% of the cornea thickness. With the help of crescent blade, now I am making a slight dissection. With the help of 26 gauge needle, which is attached to the air-filled syringe, I am inserting into the stroma. The bevel is down. Now I inject the air. Now the big bubble is formed. This is the type 1 big bubble wherein the stroma is separated from the tuas layer or predescent membrane. Since the will be high, I release the IOP by doing paracentesis. Now I am dissecting out the superficial cap of the stroma with the help of crescent blade. With the sharp instruments, I am making nick into the stroma to release the air bubble. Now the air bubble has been removed, pushing the descent membrane down by injecting viscoelastic. Now with the corneal scissors, I am cutting the stroma. First I make a vertical cut and two horizontal side cuts so that the stroma is cut into 4 pieces. This will help to remove the stroma in toto and easily. With the help of right and left Cornell scissors, I am excising the 4 quadrants of the stroma. This is the last piece being removed. This is the donor graft devoid of endothelium and suturing with a 1009 on suture. The second suture is very important in graft, corneal graft, because it has to be parallel to the first suture and exactly opposite to the first suture. That will determine the centration of the graft and postoperative astigmatism. Now 16 sutures have been put and sutures knot have been buried inside the stroma, and I place a bandage contact lens. That is the end of the surgery. Thank you.